This is a presentation on gravitational potential energy. There's a GCSE question and answer at the end. Please pause it if you want to have a go at the question. So GPE is measured in joules, and it's the energy that an object has due to its height above a surface. And it's being pulled down towards that surface by gravity. And the more mass an object has, the more it will be being pulled down towards that surface, so the more energy it will have. So the terms here are mass in kilograms. Gravity is the amount of newtons acting on each one of those kilograms, and the height is in meters. Get those terms right and you'll have your answer in joules. Here's the question. A high diver of mass 75 kilograms is standing on a high board at 8 meters above a pool. How much gravitational potential energy do they have? That's the first part. How would you expect this to be different if the diver was on the moon? Ignore air resistance. Pause it here if you want to have a go yourself. Let's have a look drawing of what's going on first of all. So there's my diver. They are 8 meters above a pool. They're being pulled down by gravity, which is 10 newtons per kilogram, and they have a mass of 75 kilograms. So here's the equation. GPE equals mass times gravity times height, and I'm going to write the terms directly underneath. So we get 75 times 10 times 8, and we'll get an answer of 6,000 joules. Now, quite often in a GCSE question, they'll tell you what units they want, and for this one, they might have perhaps given you the answer in, or asked for the answer in kilojoules. So in kilojoules, that would be 6 kilojoules. So where might the marks be for this question? You would get 1 mark for the equation, 1 mark for the substitution, 1 mark for the answer, and if they weren't giving you the units, there'd be 1 mark for that part. So that would be out of 4. Let's have a look at the last part. How would you expect this to be different if the diver was on the moon? Well, the term that would be different would be the gravity term. Gravity on the moon is 1/6 of on Earth. So we would expect the energy to be less. So the diver would have less GPE on the moon due to gravity being less. That might be 1 mark, it might be 2 marks. So you should be able to work out the actual amount of GPE on the moon from the information that I've given you now. So on the moon, the GPE would equal 1/6 of it does on the Earth, or 1 kilojoule. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you found this informative and I hope it helps you with your GCSE questions.